cross-examination of a witness. This is how we get to the truth. And there's a 5-step formula. Step 1, we have to select our topic that we want to examine the witness on. We have to know what we want to establish before we actually examine the witness. Step 2, we have to know the point that we want to establish on that topic. Step 3, we are going to establish that point through a series of extremely short, simple, one-fact questions. For example, isn't it true that safe driving requires you to safely pay attention to your surroundings? Isn't it correct that you failed to stop at the stop sign? Step 4, we have to stop once we have established that point, or we have enough to argue it. Sometimes it's good enough to just get on base with our cross-examination and hit it out of the ballpark in closing argument. And sometimes we may want to go for the home run on cross-exam to establish the point clearly during the cross-exam. There is an element of theatrics and strategic effect on the jury, but we have to be mindful that we could strike out if we go for the home run on cross-exam. The key is to just get on base, to create that inference in the mind of the jury so that we can make the persuasive argument at closing. And step 5, most of all, do not ask the one question too many. Don't ask the open-ended questions. Don't allow the witness the opportunity to explain away the point on the topic that we wanted to establish. Don't allow the witness the chance to explain the answer and erase our point on the topic and the inference we wanted to establish in the mind of the jury. That means don't ask the why question. Bad cross-examination eliminates the need for redirect. Bad cross asks the one question too many. We actually want the opposing counsel to have to force their witness to explain away on their redirect. The worst effect that we can allow the opposing counsel to state to the jury is there are no further questions.